Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. I'm so happy to be back in my seat here in paradise in Las Vegas. And first video I get to do for you this evening, I will say this. In the last video I left off a week ago, I showed you a structure and a series of markets, and if X things didn't happen, then Y would take place. That was for slightly longer term analysis. We will get to that on Monday. For this video, short term for trading on Friday, this is June 7th, 2024. Video number 2758. Welcome to Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. So remember, I will get back to that picture I left for you a week ago in the last video. I'll show you what's happened since, but not tonight. This is going to be a quick video about what the Omni's expecting for tomorrow. And, you know, it's 110 degrees out, literally right now at 10 p.m. as I speak to you. It's my first night back. I didn't want to get in front of the camera. But we will talk about the longer-term picture, at least the, intermediate-term picture on Sunday, Monday. For tonight, for trading on Friday, June 7th, remember, it's a risky game, risky. Put your stops in before you ever get involved in trading any position of any nature. E-mini S&P Daily Bar for trading on June 7th. The Omni comes up neutral. Now, the Omni was bullish the last 3 days, and as long as your stops went nice and wide, you had some great trades from Omni. Today, we didn't get anything done on Thursday, but Friday, Omni is neutral. So, I've got some Oscarisms up my sleeve. Those are trades that are basically, of the chart, of course, and where I would be getting in and getting out if I had to do that. If I was standing in a pit, I guess. So there's an Oscarism trade or two that will be set up, even though we've got a neutral Omni. I'll tell you right now, I'll be brave enough to say it. I would buy a deep dip in these U.S. indices if one of them sets up properly. Now, if we don't bother trading indices because of the neutral Omni, I've got Oscarism trades set up in the metals, the grains, Amazon. Well, these are actual Omni trades. Set up in a bunch of other markets. The only Oscarism trade that would happen tomorrow would be possibly dipping into E-mini S&P or NASDAQ. Of course, they're neutral Omnis that allows me to do whatever I please. Everything else would be an actual Omni if we traded the other markets. So, just wanted to let you know we'll get into the slightly longer term next week, Monday, Tuesday. For now, you've got this. S&P is still hovering above these highs, right? It's still at them, what you want to call double top, triple top, quadruple top, knock on the door, call this thing whatever you want. But we've been up here a bunch of times, and it's still there now. In fact, it was there 7 days ago when I left, right? And the market basically did this for the last 7 days. And then came right back up. So I didn't miss anything. I came back from OmniCamp, and guess where we're at? Same spot as when I left. With the neutral Omni, I would say the report comes out tomorrow on employment. That's probably enough to go down, buy the dip, go back up, make new highs, and take out all this good stuff. But Omni is neutral, so as far as Omni's concerned, we'll have to sit tight. We'll see what the Oscarism trade does instead, or we'll switch off to one of these cats if they set up. All right, traders, that's all I wanted to show you for now. Thank you for tuning in. I promise we'll get to some good analysis over the weekend. Thank you for being here, for being patient. The Omni Camp in Naples was just fantastic. You Omni Campers were like sponges. I really thank you. I was honored to be able to teach you the way you absorbed it, and you were able to reiterate it back to me. I know you're saved. Now it's just practice. I will see you guys soon, you Omni Campers. At least I'll see your homework. All right, traders, that's about it for now. Remember, keep your emotions out of trading. How do we do that? Put your stops in first. That'll help. And then come to livewithoscar.com. Join me in my free live trading room. I'm here every day, every night, and I will help you get through these rough and tumble markets. And then remember to say this to yourselves over and over again. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are luck, traders. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave your comments below, like and share these videos, and join me in my free live chat room at livewithoscar.com. I'll see you there, kids. Good luck trading.